any time in my life when I am busy constructing a program, I am at my happiest because this is what I love to do. In the beginning, when you're setting up your business, I feel like from the brand to the concept to the contents to the, everything is all about you in being in creation. And you know what? Your creativity is right now guiding you. So if you're feeling like you're out of balance, that's absolutely naturally something that I want you to know. I remember a point where everybody outside used to be watching TV while I from 6 in the evening to 9 in the evening would be making notes and listening to videos and doing whatever it needs for me to become the person I knew I needed to become. So in the beginning, I don't know how to do it in a balanced manner. I don't think you can become successful in life with balance being your value right in the beginning. Now, once you do become successful, you can go back into balance. So that's something I would wish for all of you. But sometimes in the journey, for some time, I think it's all about being so obsessed that you land up creating something so unique that no one else can, because people will hang on to balance while you have gone and really given it your 100% or maybe even 110. So don't feel shy about being out of balance. Don't feel afraid that this is going to become your life permanently. That's not true at all. But you know what? I feel like business is very seasonal or cyclical. When I say that, what I mean is there is a building stage and then there is a making the foundation strong, so stability stage, and then again you build and then again you become stable, and then again you build and then again you become stable, and that different times requires different energy. So when you're building, there is a certain amount of obsession. When you're stabilizing, you can go back into balance. Again, when you start to build something new or taking that only further, again you will notice the same pattern. So know that it's going to be a bit like that. How to get clients? My suggestion is look up your contact list and start to create a beautiful message where you can let people know exactly what it is you do. Secondly, you can create a website and you can start to send people to that website so that if anybody Googles what they're looking for, your name shows up, they'll be able to reach you. Make sure on your website you have some way of creating a lead generator, which basically means some people should give you their email ID. So you should have something that they can download and you get email IDs from there. If you don't understand what I'm saying, go check out my website. It's poojapuneet.com and go see how I'm collecting emails by telling people to do a particular quiz on my website. Another way is to start to speak in different forums. That's a great thing to do. Another way is to do some sort of a challenge on your social media where you take somebody through a 3-day, 4-day, 5-day, 7-day challenge, and at the end of it say, you know what, let me give you a clarity call. Let's do a 30 minutes one-to-one, and in that you sell to them. Now the only rule I will give is don't try to sell directly on social media, which means don't say join my one-to-one course for 30,000 rupees. Today it is for 10,000 rupees. Always get into a relationship and then sell. Don't ever sell to random people. That's like me holding a board saying, will you marry me? Who is it for? Nobody knows. But if you stand like that, you're devaluing yourself. So never devalue yourself by selling directly to the market. Always get into a relationship with people to be able to sell to them. You know what? In life, for some time, there comes a period where we have to do things for money and we have to do things for passion. One that gives us joy, one that gives us the fuel for life so that we can have joy, right? And we have to run them parallelly. So I always speak about the going to the well and the pipeline. So the well and the pipeline story goes like this, that every day you go and bring water home in a bucket, and a day comes when you go, let's say you walk 6 hours to the well, and every day you go 6 hours to the well, you fill the bucket of water and you bring it back. Now you add 2 more hours and you start creating a pipeline, which means you start digging, and people laugh at you that already it's taking you 6 hours to get the water. Now you also want to add a pipeline to this, and it's like people think you are crazy. And then a day comes where your pipeline reaches 3 hours point. So now, while everybody else is walking to the water for 6 hours, you are only going till the pipeline 3 hours and filling your bucket because your pipeline is already reached till here. And then a day comes when your pipeline reaches the home, you no longer need to go and fetch water. Water is coming into your house. That's pretty much how I treat passion and like a job or like you're saying, a family business. So for some time you may need to work on your family business. Keep working on your pipeline on the side. Who knows, a day comes that your pipeline starts to give you, your passion starts to give you all of the money you need, and you no longer need to be dependent on your family business.